Are you looking to add an extra kick of fragrance to your portable toilets? If so, then check out J&J's long-lasting fragrance enhancers. J&J's J-Spray XT provides extra long-lasting odor control that will freshen your portable toilets for days. Simply spray J-Spray XT behind the vent stack, in the corners, or in the urinal to get that extra kick of fragrance. You can also check out J&J's JDiscs, a 24/7 fragrance-enhancing disc that keeps your portable toilets smelling fresher longer. Simply place a JDisc anywhere in your toilet, maybe behind the vent stack, on the toilet paper holder, in the air vents, or on the side of the tank. Another option would be J&J's JScreen, a 24/7 fragrance-enhancing urinal screen. Simply place one JScreen in the urinal to apply that added fragrance. J&J's fragrance enhancers are made with J&J's unique fragrances designed for long-lasting performance. For more information, give us a call at 1-800-345-3303 or 706-743-1900 or email us at info@jjkim.com.